Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you plan, life just doesn't go your way? It's frustrating, right? Most people hustle, strategize, and chase success, thinking their way is the only way, and then wonder why it all falls apart. But here's the twist few ever notice. Proverbs 16 shows that real success isn't about clever plans or being the smartest in the room. It's about aligning your heart, your humility, and your wisdom with God's guidance. Imagine if the choices you make, the way you speak, and even the way you manage your time actually led to favor, peace, and stability because you got this secret right. Today, you're going to see exactly how to unlock it, in a way that most people completely miss. Then, let's read the chapter together. To humans belong the plans of the heart, but from the Lord comes the proper answer of the tongue. All a person's ways seem pure to them, but motives are weighed by the Lord. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. The Lord works out everything to its proper end, even the wicked for a day of disaster. The Lord detests all the proud of heart. Be sure of this. They will not go unpunished. Through love and faithfulness, sin is atoned for. Through the fear of the Lord, evil is avoided. When the Lord takes pleasure in anyone's way, He causes their enemies to make peace with them. Better a little with righteousness than much gain with injustice. In their hearts humans plan their course, but the Lord establishes their steps. The lips of a king speak as an oracle, and his mouth does not betray justice. Honest scales and balances belong to the Lord. All the weights in the bag are of His making. Kings detest wrongdoing, for a throne is established through righteousness. Kings take pleasure in honest lips. They value the one who speaks what is right. A king's wrath is a messenger of death, but the wise will appease it. When a king's face brightens, it means life. His favor is like a rain cloud in spring. How much better to get wisdom than gold, to get insight rather than silver. The highway of the upright avoids evil. Those who guard their ways preserve their lives. Pride goes before destruction, a haughty spirit before a fall. Better to be lowly in spirit along with the oppressed, than to share plunder with the proud. Whoever gives heed to instruction prospers, and blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord. The wise in heart are called discerning, and gracious words promote instruction. Prudence is a fountain of life to the prudent, but folly brings punishment to fools. The hearts of the wise make their mouths prudent, and their lips promote instruction. Gracious words are honeycomb, sweet to the soul and healing to the bones. There is a way that appears to be right, but in the end it leads to death. The appetite of laborers works for them. Their hunger drives them on. A scoundrel plots evil, and on their lips it is like a scorching fire. A perverse person stirs up conflict, and a gossip separates close friends. A violent person entices their neighbor, and leads them down a path that is not good. Whoever winks with their eye is plotting perversity. Whoever purses their lips is bent on evil. Gray hair is a crown of splendor. It is attained in the way of righteousness. Better a patient person than a warrior, one with self-control than one who takes a city. The lot is cast into the lap, but its every decision is from the Lord. Let's say a quick prayer to thank the Lord for His mercy. Hey God, thank you so much for the wisdom you've shared with us through Proverbs 16. Thank you for showing us that you guide our plans, teach us humility, and shape our hearts with true wisdom. I'm grateful for the lessons that are often missed by so many, but that now we get to hold close and understand. Lord, help me take what I've learned and actually live it out every day. Give me the courage to pause before acting, the humility to put you first in every plan, and the wisdom to speak and act in ways that honor you. Help me see opportunities to choose righteousness, even when it's hard, and to let my life reflect your favor and peace. Keep guiding my heart, my words, and my actions so that everything I do flows from your wisdom. Thank you for walking with me, for teaching me, and for making even the smallest steps meaningful. I trust you to help me live this truth, not just know it. Amen. Now that you've explored Proverbs 16, it's time to ask yourself, are you letting God guide your plans, or are you trying to run the show on your own? Are pride and impatience quietly steering your choices, or are humility and wisdom shaping every decision? Start small. Commit your daily tasks to the Lord. Pause before speaking, and choose righteousness over shortcuts. Notice how your relationships, your work, and even your peace of mind begin to shift. Think about the practical steps you can take today. Read these chapters, journal your reflections, and apply the lessons in real situations. Speak wisely, control your anger, and prioritize integrity even when it's hard. Imagine the ripple effect, not just in your life, but in those around you, when humility and wisdom become your default. Could you handle a difficult conversation at work or in your family differently this week? If you're ready to grow in a way most people overlook, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next insight that could change your life. And I want to hear from you. Which lesson from Proverbs 16 challenges you the most? Share it in the comments, and let's start applying this wisdom together. And as always, don't forget to check the last video and learn more about the scriptures.